Ready to turn ordinary scenes into extraordinary 3D models with just your phone? Let's dive into the Luma AI app and unlock its incredible power. First, download and open the Luma AI app, available on iOS. Once you're in, tap the capture button at the bottom to start your 3D adventure. Now, this is key. Choose an object or scene and slowly, very slowly, orbit around it. Think of painting it with your phone's camera. Keep a steady hand and maintain a consistent distance for the best results. Good lighting is your friend here. Once you've completed the capture, Luma AI works its magic in the cloud. This processing step uses advanced AI to reconstruct your capture into a detailed 3D model. This takes a few moments. Grab a coffee. Your 3D model is now ready. You can rotate, zoom, and inspect every angle. Use the editing tools to crop unwanted areas, refine the mesh, and even adjust the texture or color to get it just right. Happy with your creation? Luma AI makes sharing a breeze. Export your model in various formats like OBJ or PLY for use in other 3D software, or share it directly to social media to wow your friends. Don't be afraid to experiment. Explore the app's example library to see what's possible and get inspired. Luma AI is constantly evolving, so keep an eye out for new features and updates. That's your quick guide to the Luma AI app. Now go out there, capture the world, and create amazing 3D models. Be sure to like and subscribe for more awesome tutorials and 3D content.